Hello friends, glad to see you here in the next video. This is Sam from TeacherTechTube. Today I'm going to discuss how to cross-check the journals which you're going to publish or listed in the UGC Care list listed journals. Let's get into the video straight away. So now I'm planning to publish my paper in the Alochana Chakra journal. So as you could see, I'm typing this Alochana Chakra journal in the Google. I'm taking the ISSN number. Okay, so it is listed here. So next I'm copying this ISSN number, then I'm moving to the UGC Care list portal. I've saved it in the taskbar, so I'm opening it right now. It's loading now. So now this is the home page. As you could see, ugccare.unipune.ac.in. Okay, so you can check your journals right here. This is the home page. So now you can create your username and password just like that. It is very simple. So I'm typing here. I've already created my username and password, so I'm clicking I'm not root. If you want to register, simply click register here, type your email ID and then type your password, and then just like that, if you click yes, then your user ID is created here itself. There is not even email verification is required. So you can easily create your logins very easily. Now let me click login. Let's see what happens. So now I'm in the home page now. So I just want to search through ISSN number. So if you put simply Alochana Chakra here, you can click search button here. So it shows no any journal. So I'm going back. I am search through the ISSN number. So I'm just clicking ISSN number. I'm pasting the copied ISSN number here, and I'm searching it here. So now you could see very well the Alochana Chakra journal is listed here. It is approved by the UGC Care list. So when you confirm it just like this, whichever the journal you want to publish, so go to the Google and find out the ISSN number and paste it here through this login which I have showed you, and then you'll be able to find the journal listed here. If it is not listed, then you may be able to understand that the journal which you are trying to publish may not be listed in the UGC Care list. Okay, so you have to confirm, you have to check it again, and then you decide whether you want to go with the same journal for publication or something else, because some of the journals are removed from the UGC Care list, so we have to confirm that as well. I hope this would be quite informative for you. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and wait for the upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Take care.